Alright guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Yep, today we have a simple task. This is just how to repair a water hose that it has been bitten by dogs. And as you can see, the edges on both sides are pretty beat up. Alright. So the first thing we're gonna do in here is that we're gonna cut if you have better scissors, that's good. If not, just whatever you find. The thing is that we have to get a smooth cut on both sides. Okay, I'm gonna get the other side and I'm gonna cut it too. Probably gonna go a little bit farther down because I can see some teeth marks over here. I don't want to leak from there. Try to get rid of all yeah, so this happened, so I'm gonna get another scissors. Alright guys, this time I got a favorite tool, which is a pair of dikes. This one will cut everything and anything real easy. They don't open as big as scissors, but they can cut pretty good. Also, you can use a utility knife. Right now I'm just using what I got. And just the point is to have a straight cut. Alright? Okay, so for this one, there is a couple of unions, junctions that you can purchase. I like this one right here because the other one, it makes too much bulk and I don't like it. This one is a little bit slimmer, so I'm gonna cut it right here, and that's a very simple step. You're gonna put one side in here, tap it, see the edge, try to get it all the way to the edge. All right, so then we put the C-clamp or the clamp and tighten them up. All right, so we got this side fixed up. All you have to do is tighten it pretty good. Now we're gonna get to the other side. Now, to make it easier, you can put a little bit of oil on this edge, so that way you can go better. But yeah, don't forget to put the clamp. And once it's in there, just push it in. Right now it's because it's kind of cold. You also want to go like the way it's supposed to be, but eventually it will go. Just play with it. We cannot bang it, but Sometimes you can put this on hot water, and it will go a lot faster and a lot better. This time I didn't do it, but if you think it's too hard on yours, just do it. Put hot water on a microwave, stick it in a few seconds, and then it will go. See, this is good enough. I'm gonna put the other clamp. The other clamp, and it's ready to go. This water hose is fixed. Now, if you want, you can put electrical tape all the way around it. That's not gonna help much, but to me, this is the better and easiest way to fix a water hose. This is all right guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for hundreds of other tips and videos that I got for you. All right guys, see you the next time.